Top 10 dangerous dog in the world. No. 1. Pit Bull, American Pit Bull Terrier. Very strong jaws, high bite force. Often involved in severe attack reports. No. 2. Rottweiler, powerful guard dog. Protective instincts can turn aggressive without training. No. 3. German Shepherd, highly intelligent and strong. Can be dangerous if improperly socialized. No. 4. American Bulldog, muscular, fearless, bred for protection and work. No. 5. Bull Mastiff, large and heavy guard dog. Can overpower humans easily. No. 6. Doberman Pinscher, fast, alert, and protective. Aggression risk if poorly trained. No. 7. Husky, Siberian Husky, high prey drive, strong and unpredictable without discipline. No. 8. Alaskan Malamute, very powerful sled dog. Not ideal for inexperienced owners. No. 9. Cane Corso, massive Italian Mastiff, extremely dominant and territorial. No. 10. Wolf Hybrid, unpredictable instincts, difficult to train and control.